Overtake. Ano ba to? Imbis nagpapahinga kasi. I'm so fucking tired. Hey guys, today is Saturday, April 5, 2025. Eksaktong alas 12 ng tanghali. And we're on our way to Pio Duran, Albay dahil pupunta kami ng Buhawi Hills. So we're coming from Legazpi, so siguro mga 2 hours biyahe papuntang Pio Duran. And yun, hiking tayo.
Sa loob. Okay.
So na lang magkakaroon. Perang minute kaya pa ano? Perang minute. Paano nyo sa may? Maning habay. Wala man. 30 minutes. Legazpi. So ikaw, mga taga-Legazpi.
Prior to this day, one of our hike members already coordinated with the Municipal Tourism Office to inform of our hike and pay for registration fee. No coordination, no hike, no registration, no climb. So if you're from Pio Duran, the municipality where Buhawi Hills is located, you'll pay 100 pesos while 200 pesos for non-residents or outsiders for the registration fee. 1,000 pesos naman for guide fee, 1:5 guide to hikers ratio. Habal-habal, 150 pesos per head per way. It's a 15-minute motorcycle ride from the municipal hall. Yung mga habal-habal drivers naman, they will be back the following day. They will pick you up the next day pabalik sa municipal hall. As far as I know, it's possible to have your own motorcycle going to the jump-off point of Buhawi or Panganiran, or much better if you have an off-road vehicle since mabato and may dadaanan kayong tubig or ilog. But mind you guys, park at your own risk, especially if you'll be staying overnight at the peak since wala namang parking area sa paanan ng bundok.
Dat lang.
Yun kasi, may nagpapahinga eh. Bay ba na kayo?
Bay ba na kayo? Ganito pala sa New Zealand. Nagutom na ako.
Lagyan sa tubig.
Ano? Nagaan naman siya.
For this hike, we chose Panganiran as our entry point. There is actually an easier trail compared to this, pero sa kabilang barangay kayo dadaan, sa Flores. Buhawi Hills is a beginner-friendly hike, rising 330 meters above sea level.
Smile.
Pero tip ko lang sa inyo, kailangan nyo pa rin ihanda yung katawan nyo. Do cardio exercises days before your actual hike.
Overtake. Ano ba to? Imbis nagpapahinga kasi.
Is there someone else beside you? Left hand side behind.
Mali sa inagyan. Parehas lang. Oras. Ano oras na? 4:25. We started. 3:30.
Can't let a good thing. Can't let a good thing. I can't let a good thing.
4:41. Semi-peak. Semi-peak. Nang mayon. Nang mayon. Nang Buhawi pala. Ayan. Hindi nakikita si Mayon eh. Saan ba? Ayun. I'm so fucking tired. Uy.
Are you cold enough? Or is there someone else beside you? Left a left hand side behind and let you down. Or have you figured out how to sleep all by yourself? I know you always like to have someone around, and I can't let a good thing. Can't let a good thing. I can't let a good thing. How you feeling now? 'Cause I saw it in your face. You won't reach out to me. And the world before me's turning. I'm afraid of what I'm learning. I'm afraid I've done some things I can't explain. Because I can't let a good thing. Can't let a good thing. I can't let a good thing. No. And I can't let a good thing. I can't let a good thing. I can't let a good thing.
Kailangan yan. Talawan mo kamo. Nagboto na kay Liza. Kapag nagana na sila.
Good morning guys. Oras is 5:37 na. Ito yung view. At around 6 a.m., everyone was busy preparing breakfast.
Kay boss manager.
and at 7 a.m. we started descending. Much better to start earlier since it gets too hot and sunny going down.
Grabe ka mo kay kuya ho. Magigiting.
7:59. 1 hour pa baba. 7. Uwian na.